How can I make my website's SEO sustainable long term? Um, Really, this comes back to having quality content, strong technical foundations, and adaptability. You are always going to be wanting to publish high quality content that matches the intent of your visitor. Uh, Consistently earning backlinks through valuable resources and partnerships. Always taking a look at your website and optimizing for user experience, and looking at factors like site speed, mobile friendliness, and easy navigation. You'll want to keep up with algorithm changes to make sure that you're staying up to date on what Google is looking at from a search engine perspective, and monitor your performance metrics using tools like Google Search Console and Google Analytics.